Very important information about the neet admit card, how to download, and if there was any difficulty, how to face that difficulty, how to download. Go to the official website neet.nta.nic.in, neet.nta.nic.in. There is a link is provided. Click on that link and you must require application number, password or date of birth, and security pin. These three are must require. Enter them and download. You can get that. Download your admit card. Must take the print of that admit card. It must require at the examination center. Must take the print of that admit card. If there is any problem on the admit card, download. Then you use Umang app, DigiLocker app, Google Chrome, Firefox. So this problem can be solved. So share this information. Most of the students look for that information. Share this information to the maximum students and share and enjoy this and download your admit card early as possible. Good luck for your NEET examination on 21st June. Good luck, share. Thanks.